Alanke.com.
Mounted by the National Guard unit, formed up into ranks.
After decades of chaos, deinstitutionalization, and fragmentation, you will find that there's significant progress, there's significant strategic vision that the government has displayed in terms of charting a way forward in this country.
The expectation is high, the job is big, and the problems are numerous. Not as much as they used to be, but it's a challenge. So we wish him good luck, and I will be working with him in every way I can, and the Somali government will work him in every way we can for him to succeed.
I definitely see my job as helping Somalis fulfill their own vision, but also to help maintain international coherence and support in the times ahead. And I'm really looking forward to meeting you and your colleagues in government, but also civil society in Somalia, as well as getting to know UN colleagues working with all of you and supporting your work, as well as our colleagues in the military, as well as the broader diplomatic community.
Alanke.com.